Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about the Bubblemap airdrop. So recently they announced that they are going to be giving us an airdrop, and this is specifically for the people that are most active. But right here on this video, I'll be taking you by the hand and I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to participate on this airdrop. Trust me, this is the easiest airdrop that you can ever participate on in this 2025. And remember, this airdrop has a very big potential of making you about $5,000 or just a minimum of $100 if you participate on it correctly. And on this video guys, I'll be giving you guys the reasons why I so much believe on this airdrop and the reason why it is 100% trustworthy, and also the reason why you need to join this airdrop. To start with guys, remember I'm a boy crypto mechanic, and on this channel I make videos about cryptocurrency, how you can be able to participate on profitable airdrop, and also how to help I also help you resolve most of your crypto related problem. And remember, on this video guys, I want to be remind you guys that we do give tone to our video viewers. So if you're watching our video right now from any part of the world, you can simply make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also share our video to any social media handle to join the tone that we give out to our video viewers. This is literally for everyone, but we do select our winners from the comment section and we announce them on our Telegram handle. So good luck on that. Right now, let's talk about the main business of the day, which is Bubblemap airdrop. So right now, to get started, let me tell you guys the reason why you need to join this airdrop, guys. So this is of course the Twitter handle, and of course you can see they have the golden tick right here, and they have about 179,000 followers. And the first thing that actually motivates me the most is the people that are actually following this project. You can see right here, guys, that they are being followed by a lot of top crypto influencers and also top companies like Look On-Chain are following them, and Chronos, you can see Trustpad, and a whole lot of them, BitGet Wallet. This, you can see all these people right here that are following this project also gives us a good belief or a good sense of belief into this project. You can see Archambault right here. If you can remember when we did the Archambault airdrop, you can see people made a minimum of $3,000 to about $8,000 and the rest. But this works in almost exact the same step, and it is going to be the coolest airdrop that you are going to be participating on this 2025. So over here guys, you can see this post was actually made 2 days ago to actually tell you that they are still on this and they are working seriously on it. You can see announcing Bubblemap airdrop, a reward program for our active version 2 users or just V2 users. Join the waitlist, endpoints, and rank higher. On this video, I'll be teaching you how to actually join the waitlist very simply, and also how you can earn points and also rank higher. It is very easy and way too simple. Anybody else can do this, and this does not require any investment. It is totally free. You do not need to input any single thing right here, guys. So to continue with the video, you can see right here, guys, first of all, what is this Bubblemap all about? You can see according to the bio right here, they say innovative visual for blockchain data. What they actually do is that they literally expose you and they give you detailed knowledge about any crypto, especially those on Base and also those on Ethereum. They offer you an expanded explanation and give you how the coin are being transferred, the total supply, the holders, and a whole lot of other things which I'm going to be showing you right here on this video. You can see right here they say Solana support on version 2 might be closer than you think. This is going to be a very huge thing to happen right here. You can see join the waitlist to see it live. And one other thing that actually boosts my bubble right here is about these posts right here. You can see right, guys, these guys have been recognized by WU or just Woo blockchain. If you know what Woo blockchain is all about, then there is no single reason why you should miss out on this Bubblemap airdrop. You can see Bubblemap has announced a reward program for active version 2 users. According to the leaderboard published in December, 50,000 users have already joined its points campaign. And right now in this video, what we are learning in this video is how to join the point campaign. So right here, Bubblemap is a data analysis tool designed to replace traditional blockchain explorer with cutting edge. I'll be proving it in this video, guys. So over here, guys, when I scroll down, you can see that these guys are also recognized by Digi News. And of course right here, let me show you guys one more thing before we then wrap up the whole stuff and then go straight into the video of the day, guys. So you can see over here, guys, they are also recognized by the Gecko terminal. And guys, there are a lot of reasons why you need to join this airdrop, guys. So right now, how do this work before we then go ahead and talk about how to actually join the wait list? So if you were on our Telegram channel, you must have known how to do this. So if you are not yet on our Telegram channel, check out the link on the video description of this video you are watching right now to see the link to our Telegram. Join our Telegram to get the first-hand information, and all things crypto are happening right there on our Telegram channel, guys. So right now, let me show you guys some more stuff how this bubble map is all about, though it is not the reason for our video, but I will still show you. So bubble map, this is the website right here, and like I said earlier, it is trying to represent or replace the normal traditional blockchain explorer. For example, let me show you guys what we are talking about. If I come right here right now on Dex Screener, for example, let me choose a coin right here. Let me just choose this one right here that says chunky. Let me just click no. Okay, sorry, we need a coin on Ethereum blockchain, not on Solana blockchain. Actually, we need a coin on on Ethereum blockchain, guys. So how do we then find it? To be able to get a coin on Ethereum blockchain, what you need to do is very simple, guys. Let me get it real quick, then let's proceed with the video. Okay, guys, so all these coins right here are actually on Ethereum. So let me start with this one called Poppy. When I click on Poppy, it's gonna be loading up pretty quick. Let me show you guys what mobile map is all about before I will go ahead and teach you how to actually join the airdrop. So this coin right here is Poppy. Let me scroll down and of course get the contract address like this. Once I've copied the contract address, then I'll come over here to Bubblemap website. Then I'll have to paste that contract address right there, and it's gonna be searching for the token right now, and it's gonna be giving us the data of this token. It is way too simple and way too easy. Pop it right here, then we go ahead and click on it. So this is gonna be opening up and expanding this right here. Let's see some stuff right here. Okay, so you can see all this bubble right here. That is the reason why it is actually called bubble map. You can see all this bubble right here actually represents holdings. That is how much each wallet is holding right here. This is actually top 150 wallet. For example, let me click on this biggest one. I think I will click on it, and when you look over here right now, you can see, guys, that there have been a data that has been given right here because of this one that I just clicked right here right now. You can see this is the data. It is actually ranking the second largest holder, and it is actually holding 3% of the total supply of this token. And you know, doing this exploring token right here on this their website is of course one of the most effective way to actually get more points. All right, so the more you explore token, or the more you make use of this their website on a daily basis, the more points that you actually earn for yourself, guys. So it is way too simple and way too easy like this. So guys, like I said, I just proved to you guys what bubble map is all about, guys. Right now, let's talk about how to actually join the airdrop. So to join the airdrop, the first thing that you actually need to do is very simple. Simply click the link on the video description. This is going to be giving you the link to the airdrop, guys. Copy the link, or just come over here to our Telegram handle where we dissect everything about crypto. You can see right here, guys, I've already sent this right here on our Telegram channel, and what you need to do is very simple. Go ahead and of course come right here on our Telegram channel, then go ahead and just send me your own email address right here on this handle that I've provided here already, so that I will then send you the email that you can then use to get yourself signed up. It is very, very easy and very, very simple, guys. So right now that we are done on this first step, which is of course getting invited, so anyone is totally okay. So right now, let's proceed to the next step. Once you have sent me your email, then I will send you the invite link through your email box. Then you can then start the next step from there. So right now, I will take you right now to my email. Let's now get started right now on how to actually join this airdrop properly. First thing is that you need to get the email, just like I said earlier. So over here, this is my own email. Once you check out your promotion, that's where the email is normally is. So right now you go ahead and of course click on the email like this. And once you have clicked the email, you will see welcome to our V2 beta. Okay, you have been personally invited to join Bubblemap version 2 beta. Discover powerful new feature designed to enhance your blockchain, blah blah blah. So right now it is way too easy. You go ahead and click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on sign up, this is going to be taking you to the website where you need to of course input some of your details. Then your account will be created so easily. It is way too simple and way too easy, you know, pass like this, guys. So right now, guys, you need to join the beta, the private beta of Bubblemap. This is just like you joining the wait list. So, and there's a way to get actually to get more points or reward. That is simply by just getting to invite people through their email. That is the reason why you need to simply drop your email on the comment section of this video. I will pick it up from there, or you can just go ahead and of course check out our Telegram channel over there on our Telegram channel. I will make a post requesting people to send their email to me so that I can personally refer them. You just have have 100 people to invite, and once you invite up to 100 people, you can no longer be able to invite. So if you are seeing this video right now, take action right now to make sure that your email is included right now. So right now, this is of course my email right now. I need to create a password real quick. And once I'm done creating the email, you go ahead and of course agree to the read and agree to the terms of service and all that. You go ahead and then click on sign up. So right now it will load up pretty quick right now, and let's see what we're gonna have right here. You can see you are now going to be taken into the website like this. This is simple how it looks like. Let me click on this drop down. Let me see what I'm gonna have right here like this. And of course I need to check out my account, and once you click on my account, you can see this is all your details. And of course right now you need to go ahead and click on invite. And if you try clicking this invite right here and it seems to not work, simply get back the just take back the drop down. Then you go ahead, of course click right here. It should work. So you click over here right now, then you go ahead and of course click on invite. So once you just click on the invite, of course this is where you can of course put people's invitation, like put their email right here, and of course you send the invite to them. And by just doing this, you are of course increasing your own allocation of the airdrop, because that's the way that you can actually earn more points currently. So when you click on this draw down again, you see we have shared map, and you can also delete your account if you want to, but there's no point in doing that. So right now what you need to do right now is very simple. Just go ahead and of course keep inviting people. Ask for their email. Once they send you their email, then you come right here on the invite section, then you insert their email right here, and you of course go ahead and click on send invite. And if the person registers through the invitation that you sent to him, then you will now get more points, which will in turn give you more airdrop allocation. Remember, once you get to your email, you need to check out the promotion. Just open your email app, click on the promotion. That's where the email is normally stored when it comes into your own device. Okay, so it is way too simple and way too easy like this. It never passed like this, guys. So this is of course the first step. More updates concerning this Bubblemap airdrop is going to be shared, so make sure you are following us back to back so that you will be alerted when you need to take any necessary action in the future, guys. So it is way too simple, and I believe you at least learned something today. So let me know what you think on the comment section, and do not forget to click the link on the video description to join this airdrop and send your invite to me, so that of course I can then send you the invite. That's the simple way that you can of course join this airdrop right now. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep us motivated to make more educational content like this one, guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you very soon.